Guys, this is Electronic Consumer back with a brand new video. So today, guys, I did order an LCD replacement for the Samsung Tab 4. So basically there was a LCD problem with this. It's like a black bar and some white lines. It's all broken up. This is the old one, so I'm gonna toss that there. I'm glad the package came. I hope it's not damaged or anything like that. But let's open this up. Wow, it came in a really nice box. I like that. So it's nice and protective. I pray that the LCD is not broken. But let's open this up. So I got the LCD with the tools. Yes. And from just the bubble wrap, it looks like it's in excellent condition or mint condition. So one thing I do like is to have a nice screen protector, so to make sure no bubbles will show, which is something I really do like. Kind of hard to do this one-handed. Bam. So you can see the difference already. This is all beat up and this is not. Let's install this to here. So the tablet works perfectly fine. I'm super happy, guys. That's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to double check if the soft keys work. But yeah, it works. Nothing's wrong with the screen. So I'm going to let it turn on and show you how the screen looks before I end the video. So this works. Back button works. Home button works. Bam. Perfect. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.